What is up, guys? Welcome to a trade review video. Today, a lot of people were asking how I found a setup on QQQ today, so I'm just going to go through the exact trade, the levels, the risk to reward, and everything I seen, and basically just run you through a quick educational trade recap. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. The first link down in the description will be my free trading webinar, July 16th. So if you're interested, make sure to click that link, get registered, and let's just get right into it. So as you all know, I have multiple different strategies. I use supply and demand as my core strategy. However, when we are trading in between supply or demand, I'll look for different entries. Today on QQQ, I seen we made a pre-market high around this 366.5. The first opening 5-minute candle pushed up above that pre-market high and closed down below. The next candle, we see a push above and hold above the level. However, what I like to notice is that we did not break above the previous 5-minute high. This big red 5-minute candle is where I took my entry. I seen it push up, fail to break above the highs, and took my entry once we started to fail this level. The reasoning of my entry being right here before this 5-minute candle even closes is because my stop loss will be the high of day, giving myself really small risk compared to my reward. Whenever I hop in a trade, this is what I look for. I love when a setup gives me price action confirmation on both aspects of the trade, price targets, and also stop losses. I love using previous highs or lows to give me a good area to stop out. The reason being is because simply if this candle came up and closed above this high, the entire trade would not be valid anymore and I would simply stop out for a small loss. This may not be to you, but to me, this was a clear liquidity sweep. If we go on the 15-minute time frame, what happened? We've seen price push up above that pre-market level and instantly come back down. Executing this on the 5-minute time frame really gave me a great entry. I'll pop it up on the screen here for you. We entered around 9:40 a.m., which was basically exactly when this candle just started to be formed. I took my first initial trim once we broke this VWAP. I took a second trim around this 365.6. Then I got fully out of my position around this 365.10. Sadly, I didn't hold for this extended move down, but I was pretty happy with my profits. I personally made plus 50% on this trade, but the contracts in total went from 0.90 all the way to 2.4, presenting over 100% return. So simply, here was my strategy for this trade. We were in between supply and demand zones. We marked out a pre-market high. We've seen price action create a liquidity sweep of that high. Basically, what that shows us is that retail traders are going long, getting stopped out, creating liquidity for smart money to get filled to the downside. So we entered the position once the candle started failing the pre-market high, set our stop losses above the high a day, and simply just sat back and watched the trade work beautifully. One thing I really want you all to get from this trading recap is that trading can be very simple. All you have to do is set up your risk to reward right and also have confidence in your execution. If you can have a good stop loss and position size properly, you should never not feel confident when a setup presents itself. If you want more trading recaps, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you do. Click the first link in the description to get registered for my free trading webinar. Thank you guys for watching. Trade safe. Peace out.